Hey guys, today we will talk about a powerful tool in trading for turning what if into I knew it. And that is backtesting. Backtesting is one of the necessary parts of a trading career. However, many traders end up doing it wrong. So, in this video, we'll cover what backtesting is and why it's necessary, how to apply it correctly on the chart to get the most accurate data, and introduce one of the best tools for high quality and fast backtests. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to hit the like button to show your support and subscribe to our channel since we publish many advanced trading knowledge. Let's start with the basics. What is backtesting? Backtesting simply means applying your trading strategy to past data to see if it actually works. But it's not just about opening a chart, spotting order blocks, and making rough guesses about trades. That's the wrong way to do it, and it won't give you reliable results. The problem with this approach is that when you look at historical charts, your eyes naturally focus on trades that worked out. You might miss most of the losing trades you would have encountered in real-time trading. In this video, we'll show you the proper way to backtest so you can get the most realistic results. But first, why is backtesting even necessary, and what benefits does it bring? Backtesting helps you see how a strategy would have performed without risking your money. It lets you test your ideas on past market data to figure out which ones work and which ones don't. Here are the key benefits of backtesting. Understanding your strategy's performance without risking capital. Building confidence to trade your setup when the opportunities appear. Refining your strategy by finding what works and improving what doesn't. Saving time by testing ideas on past data rather than waiting months. Understanding market behavior by analyzing past data. However, backtesting also has some downsides, like not accounting for emotions, transaction costs, and the fact that your strategy might work on past data but not in live markets. However, here's a backtesting technique that helps generate the most realistic results. First, ensure you have a trading setup with solid mechanical rules that are not influenced by emotions. You must follow these rules during backtesting, just as you would in the real market. For example, if you're a session trader who trades only during the London session, incorporate that into your backtesting and only take trades during that time frame. The second and most important point is to avoid seeing future price movements while backtesting. This helps you get realistic and accurate results, similar to real trading. To do this, you can use the right arrow key on your keyboard to move forward one candle on the historical data. Be careful though. If you zoom in, zoom out, or switch time frames, the chart might change and mess up your backtesting process. That said, it's best to use platforms that provide a replay mode to get the most realistic data. So today, we're going to talk about a platform that offers many backtesting features, Forex Tester Online. Now let me show you how we use this platform and backtest the order block and order block trading setup together. We'll start by creating a new project. There are many assets to choose from for backtesting, but let's select the Euro-Dollar pair. Give our project a name and set the initial deposit to $10,000. We'll choose a recent date to start, then hit Create Project. Here's our project with $10,000. Let's click Play to start the backtest. Now we're in replay mode. If I click the play button, you'll see the price start moving. I can also adjust the speed or use these icons to move one candle forward or backward on the chart. From the Indicators tab, you can add any indicators you want to the chart. For example, if I search for and select Trading Sessions, you'll see them appear on the chart. But for now, let's disable the sessions. From the top left corner, we can open a buy or sell position with a selected lot size. Let's set the lot size to 1 and open a sell position. As we move forward, you can see how much profit or loss we have, just like real trading. To close the trade, navigate to the bottom left side and select Open Positions. Here, you can close your trade. After that, the results of your trading, including your capital and trades, will appear in the History tab. The chart also shows where you entered and exited the trade. This platform also allows you to view economic news and use many other features to get realistic and reliable trading results on historical data. You can download the desktop application or use the online platform. If you're interested in using this platform, check out the link in the description and enjoy a 5% discount with our promo code. Now let's backtest the order block trading strategy on the Forex Tester Online platform. In this simple strategy, we'll mark order blocks on the higher time frame. When the price taps into these order blocks, we'll zoom into the entry time frame, look for confirmation, and set our positions. Here we have the euro-dollar chart on the 15-minute time frame. The overall trend is bearish, so we're only looking for selling opportunities. Let's hit the play button and mark the 15-minute order blocks as we move forward. Here, we spot a fair value gap area. So we mark the candle that created this gap as our order block zone. The idea is to wait for the price to pull back into this order block zone and then look for short trades. Since the trading zone is large, we need to zoom into the 1-minute chart to find confirmation and enter at a better price. Now the price has entered the order block zone, so let's switch to the 1-minute chart. On this chart, the price is moving in an uptrend. However, we know this uptrend is temporary because the higher time frame trend is bearish. We'll wait for a change of character, which will confirm the reversal. The change of character happens when the price breaks below this level. At this point, we mark the new 1-minute order blocks and set a sell limit. If you look closely at the chart, you'll notice this candle has created a small fair value gap, so we'll mark it as an order block. We'll set a sell limit at this zone and place our stop loss above the swing high. For our target, we'll aim for the close of the candles at this double bottom. If the trade works out, it will give us an excellent risk-to-reward ratio. Let's see what happens. The price has triggered our trade and created another bearish order block. Without canceling the first trade, we'll place another sell limit at this new order block. The price has hit our target, but we're not done yet. Our long-term target is this turning point right here. Since the price hasn't reached that level yet, we can still look for more order blocks and take additional short trades. Here's another order block, so let's mark it and set a sell limit. Now let's hit play. Notice how the price has created a liquidity zone. This means it might break above this level to grab liquidity, mitigate our order, and then push lower. Let's see what happens. Unfortunately, the price reacted briefly to the order block, but hit our stop loss due to strong bullish momentum. So, let's cancel the second trade and review the history. In our trade history so far, we've had one winning trade with more than a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, one losing trade, and one missed trade. This was just an example to show you the process of backtesting and how we take trades. This approach provides reliable data for our trading setup, thanks to the amazing features offered by the Forex Tester platform. If you purchase this software or another backtesting tool, think of it as a worthwhile investment. To wrap up, backtesting is an essential part of becoming a profitable trader. Unfortunately, many retail traders trade for fun, hoping for profits and enjoying the process even if they lose. Serious traders, however, treat trading as a business, diving deep into systems and backtesting to improve their skills. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found value in it, please smash the like button to support us in creating more content like this. See you in the next episode.